Hey ladies, it is time to do my hairstyle of the week, and I typically like to do my own hair, and I do like to do different hairstyles here and there. So I'm going to be doing a ponytail that's wavy with two bangs in the front. So what you guys just saw me do was prep my hair. I blow dried it, and now I'm about to start sectioning off for my bangs, which it is kind of like a triangle shape, and then you part down the middle, and that's how you get your two bangs. I'm just going to section that part off really quick. And then for this part, I'm just going to flat iron my edges of my hair. That just makes sure that my hair has a nice smooth look and it's not curly or wavy because my hair is natural. So we're going to go in with the Got To Be Glued and the blow dryer, and then we're going to just mold our hair into a very nice ponytail. So with this part here, I'm braiding my hair into a ponytail as best as I can because it is short. Then I'm going to go with these papers and protect my ponytail. So I'm going to use some Got to Be Glue spray, and then make sure everything is nice and secure. I'm going to blow dry it, and then I'm going to start wrapping the fake hair around my ponytail, and that is with glue. And then I'm going to do my bangs. And we are pretty much done, you guys. This is a super quick hairstyle. It took me about 45 minutes. And I'm going to leave all the details with the hot tools that I use and the hair as well. So if you guys love to see videos like this, please subscribe, leave a like, and that way I will come back when it's time for me to do my hair again for the following week. And here I'm just showing you guys different ways that I'll probably wear them if the hair gets in my face, but I love it.